Hey everyone, I'm just headed down to Pinland. Gonna meet up with Rachel, one of my students from a while ago up in Milwaukee. She's coming down for Fire on the Mountain, and so just getting ready to head down there. Tomorrow will be the actual event, but today we thought we'd meet up and just do a little get together, have some lunch, maybe head over to Haas Haley's studio, see him. See what his new studio is like. So looking forward to just kind of catching up with her, seeing what's going on, and yeah, maybe catching up with Haas too. So just headed to Pinland right now, making the trek. It's a rainy day today, and so just hoping tomorrow is a beautiful day. Though we're supposed to get some good weather tomorrow after this blows through the storm, and so there should be a pretty good turnout tomorrow as long as it's a nice day, because it's an outdoor event. Be a lot of blacksmiths there. I know Remy is also planning on doing an iron pour so people can do scratch blocks. The event's been getting bigger and bigger every year, so it should be a good event. So yeah, just heading down there, and so we'll catch up with Rachel here in just a little bit. So see ya.
It is really challenging.
Yeah, you know?
Yeah, that's like what took so long, was to figure out, yeah, how, like, where things were gonna go. I mean, how was this actually gonna function as a space? And there's still some stuff that, I mean, there's definitely still stuff that, like, I'm unsure, like, I end up might have moving that, like, soldering towards this, like, I mean, I don't really think it would ever be an issue, but like it is right in front of my anvil, and I torch weld a lot, and like spraying flux onto your tanks and hoses probably isn't the best thing to me. So I'm gonna do that over here. But I have a kiln that I haven't ordered it yet.
That's smaller than
Much smaller than the last one. I got this heat treating kiln from Taiwan that was like for like $400, but it was like this tall. It was like, the inside was like what, 4 by
Yeah.
something, yeah.
Yeah.
Rachel said you do metal work as well?
Yeah,
Cool.
And him for
Yeah.
teacher.
Yeah, he's alright, he seems okay.
He doesn't know what he's
I've met a
doing.
few people
He
that
doesn't know what he's doing.
got off on the right foot with him, so.
Yeah.
Have you been down here before?
No, it's
That's awesome.
first time, so.
Oh, look at
Welcome
you!
down. Have you made it up to that one?
I'm gonna start YouTubing.
Fuck yeah, man.
Yeah.
You should.
Oh, whoa, fancy. Dang. That's what everyone said. I know, it's like not even
I mean, it's not bad. I mean, it's, yeah.
It's too much.
Yeah. But, just cool set here. Pretty fun so far. So,
Good.
yeah.
That's
This is
awesome.
the horizontal mill? What is this?
No, that's
No.
the big shaper.
The big
Oh,
shaper.
it's a giant shaper.
This is
What?
The horizontal mill's over here.
I'm a little confused. Oh, look at that. Oh my god.
Thank you. What is that thing?
GoPro?
Sweet. And it's like on a gimbal? that
Yeah,
keeps it
yeah. It keeps it
horizontal?
all stable, and like
Cool.
I just got it. I got
Cool.
I got some grant money from the school, and they were like, "What do you want?" And I was like,
Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah, I'm gonna start seeing if I can record, like what you're talking about, record some things.
Uh-huh.
I don't know. We'll see. I may not. Or I may hate it. I don't know. Oh, that's great.
Okay.
Oh, it looks great, Seth.
Thanks. Yeah, it felt pretty good. It's like working in here the other day. It felt like it's just nice to have the fire draw well.
Yeah.
Be forging a little bit.
Yeah.
And it's like, it's crappy, but it's nice. This back door being open is nice.
Oh, I know, because just the other day, like last week, the weather was so nice,
Yeah.
and just having the doors open, like
It's like nice to have this natural light.
Yeah, makes such a difference.
I'm still like, I got all this set up and I'm like, all right, I don't have anywhere to put material. My God, there's no space in here. Well, luckily I have some barns.
Well, and you get spoiled, by. I mean, man, especially at Pinland, jeez.
Yeah.
Oh,
That was a nice space.
Yeah.
That was a really nice space. I mean, it's just like a nice to be able to find out more. What do you think, Rachel?
That's very good. Why did you get that giant pizza?
I got that years ago now. And,
I was like, Thomas, why do you keep taking my helmet? And then I used it a little bit, and I was like, oh, now I know, because you have a shooting range in it. Oh, I'm sorry.
This is crazy.
This is just dialed in for that radius, which isn't a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty shallow. Okay. Oh my goodness. You gotta be kidding me.
Yeah. It's like,
So that controls all of that.
Oh, limits. Okay, limit switches. Okay.
But I ran through a relay, so they just cycle.
Oh.
I'm not,
Yeah.
it's like a power hammer.
Yeah.
slow motion power hammer.
How long did it take you to build that?
Oh, I don't know. You know, when I had more time than sense. And I,
Yeah. What is this a plate then?
yeah, it's just a rolled piece of.
Okay, yeah,
junk,
'cause-
but-
okay, just checking.
Man.
And this is steel? Rubber? What is this? Why does it look like there's like...
It's just everything compressing.
It is. Okay, okay, just checking.
It's just a piece of 1-inch plate.
Yeah, it is.
See.
But we made like these dies that fit in that one.
How thick is it? Oh my goodness.
This was curved up in that.
Yeah.
Cold.
That's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
It got warm though.
Oh, I bet.
Right?